Oh! Oh! I'm on! Oh! What is it? Woo! Oh! No! What a beautiful day in Newport Beach. Cats. Dog. Alright, we are gonna look for some sand crabs. Normally they're like in the rocks or like around the rocks. You're gonna try to look for the biggest one that you can find. And preferably if they have eggs, that's even better. Woo! Let's go! Ow! There's a lot. A lot. You gotta stick your hand in there. Hey, this is a good size, yeah. See these little sand crabs? This is what we're using for bait today. Huh? I put in my bucket. I got lucky and found one big one. This giant one right here. Yeah, normally they have eggs. Like, look at, he has an egg right here. Like, the tail up.
Oh yeah, there.
That's really good. You just hook it like this. I do a little side hook. You can put it through the shell. Oh. Don't put it through the head because then it's just gonna die. I want them to crawl a little too. Oh! Oh! Ah! No! Is it off? Oh, that was a good bite! I just got hit by something crazy. About to try to recast out there. You don't have to cast off, man. Oh! I'm on! Oh! Yes, sir! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, Sam! Dude, this thing's stuffing! What is it? Oh my god, this is way more fun than a fucking trout! Let's go! Come on. I'll bring it with the bait. Ooh! What is it? What is it? What? Oh, no! My line just broke off. I'll retie a new hook. Oh my god, what was that? I really want to know what that was. Is it Corvina, a shark? Nah, shark and sand crabs? I don't think so. Oh, that was an amazing bite though. Holy, that was a pretty big bite. I wonder what it was. You guys may know what it was. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Alright, let's try again back. So, the more you fish, the more you're gonna realize all the errors that you make. It's gonna help you better for the next fish. So, if you lose a fish, it's all good. Oh, I wasn't recording! Oh. Oh, I got a nice fish though. Really nice fish. Holy moly, that's funny. One time I catch one, I wasn't recording, but it was a nice slab. Really nice fish. Oh my. Fuck, dude. I can't believe that happened. Soft shell sand crab. Holy shit. That was a good one. You see that brown house with the white frame? Right here? Oh, fuck! Oh! Oh! Fuck! No! No! It bit my line off again. Yeah, at least I caught one. That's fishing for you. And the one I caught, I didn't record. But I recorded all the ones I lost.